In this video, I'll show you the universal way to perform a factory reset on just about any no-name Wi-Fi extender or repeater. You won't need a manual or a brand name, just a simple tool you probably already have. Let's get started. Step 1. Finding the mysterious reset button. Since it's a generic model, it won't have a fancy branded app or web interface for this. You need the physical button. Look very carefully on all sides of the device, especially near the Ethernet port, the power port, or on the bottom. You're looking for a very tiny, recessed pinhole or a tinny button. It's often the only hole or a reset button that doesn't have a symbol next to it. This is your key. Step 2. Get your tool. You'll need something thin and sturdy to reach inside that pinhole. A straightened paper clip is perfect. A SIM ejector tool or a safety pin will also work great. If it's presable button, you can directly press it using your finger. Step 3. Performing the factory reset. Make sure the repeater is plugged in and powered on. The reset will not work if it's off. Now, gently insert your paper clip into the reset pinhole. Press and hold the button inside. You might feel a slight click. Or, if it's reset button, directly press reset button. After about 10 or 15 seconds, you'll see the lights do something dramatic. They might all flash at once, or turn off and then come back on. This is your sign that the reset is complete. Once you see this, you can let go of the button. The repeater will now reboot itself. When it's done, it will be restored to its original factory settings. All your old Wi-Fi names and passwords have been wiped clean. Now, it's like a brand new device. Set it up again. That's it. If this simple guide got you back online, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe channel to get more videos. Thanks for watching.